Okay, now for the other form of a quadratic function, the other form is the standard form. So we just saw the vertex form, and it is called the vertex form because you can directly see your vertex point from the equation. So the vertex form was like this: x minus p plus q. So these 2 points show me the vertex. So the vertex is pq. I can see them directly there. That's why it is called the vertex form. However, for the standard form, you cannot see your vertex there directly. No, you cannot. You know it is parabolic form. It has a parabolic shape. You know your A, if it's positive, it will be looking up. If it's smaller, if it's negative, it will be looking down. If it's between 0 and 1, your parabola will be widely open. If it's your A is greater than 1, your parabola will be like smaller. However, to find you need to find your P and Q so you can see your vertex, and that's we will see in the next slide. So this is just same thing from the same equation, from this equation that have this form, the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c. You can get the same, all the information of parabolic function, which are the vertex, the x-intercept, the is it up or down, is it like wide or no,